Here's how to play PaRappa, the Rapper 2 on PC in 2026. The thing is, in 2026, PaRappa, the Rapper 2 cannot be played. You have to install a PlayStation 2 emulator. So for you to be able to install it, go to the PCSX2 home or to www.pcsx2, which is a good website that you can actually install the PS2 or the PlayStation 2 emulator. From the PCSX2, what you need to do is go to the search option and search for the game. So as you can see, when you search for the game, you'll be able to install it from the PCSX2 and you can now go ahead and play it on your PC. But if not, you can go ahead and search for more progress reports. So if the PaRappa has not been shown, it means that it has already been dissolved or the game is not or no longer existent today.